Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about morning activities.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, do you like mornings?
Yes, I do. I like quiet mornings.
That sounds nice. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, but I like to start my day early.
I understand. I wake up at 7.
That is also a good time.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
First, I turn off my alarm.
Me too. Sometimes I want to sleep more.
Me too, especially on cold mornings.
Oh yes, cold mornings are difficult.
Very difficult. After you wake up, what do you do next?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. What about you?
I also brush my teeth first.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I do. I drink 1 glass of water.
That is healthy.
Thank you. Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea.
What kind of tea?
Black tea with milk.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, I enjoy it every morning. I usually drink coffee.
Oh, really?
Yes, coffee helps me wake up.
Many people feel that way.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, I do. Breakfast is important.
I agree. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds simple and healthy.
Yes, sometimes I also eat fruit.
What fruit do you like in the morning?
I like bananas and apples.
Nice choices.
Thank you. What about you?
I like toast and jam.
That sounds tasty.
Yes, especially with hot coffee.
That sounds like a relaxing morning.
It is. Do you listen to music in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of music?
Soft and calm music.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it helps me feel relaxed.
I usually listen to the news.
Oh, that is interesting.
I like to know what is happening in the world.
That is a good idea.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I go for a walk.
How long is your walk?
About 20 minutes.
That is great.
Thank you. Walking gives me energy.
I understand. I like stretching in the morning.
Stretching is very good for the body.
Yes, it helps me wake up slowly.
That sounds relaxing.
Emma, do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, but only for a few minutes.
What do you usually check?
Messages and the weather.
That is useful.
Yes, I like to know if it will rain,
Me too. Weather is important.
especially before going outside.
Very true.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I do.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. My room feels cleaner after that.
I feel the same way. What time do you leave your house?
Around 8 in the morning.
Do you walk or drive?
I usually take the bus.
Is the bus crowded?
Sometimes it is very crowded.
That sounds difficult.
Yes, but I'm used to it now.
I understand. What about you? How do you travel?
I usually drive my car.
Is traffic bad in the morning?
Yes, sometimes it is terrible.
Oh no.
Yes, many people are going to work.
Morning traffic can be stressful.
Very stressful.
Do you like weekends more because mornings are slower?
Yes, absolutely.
Me too.
On weekends, I wake up later.
Same here.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
Around 9 a.m.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I enjoy sleeping more on weekends.
Me too. Now let's talk a little about English.
Great idea.
Today, we used the sentence, I wake up at 6:30.
Yes, that is a very useful sentence.
We can change the time in the sentence.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Or, I wake up at 8 a.m.
Very good.
Wake up is a common morning phrase.
Many people use it every day.
Another useful sentence is, I brush my teeth.
Yes, that is also common English.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
I wash my face.
I drink coffee.
I eat breakfast.
These are simple daily sentences.
Very easy and useful for beginners.
Yes.
Let's talk about grammar now.
Okay.
We often use the present simple tense for routines.
For example, I wake up early.
Or she drinks tea.
Very nice.
Did you hear the word drinks?
Yes, we add S for he, she, and it.
Exactly. For example, Emma drinks tea.
But we say, I drink tea.
Very important grammar point. Let's practice more examples.
Okay.
He walks to school.
She eats breakfast.
It rains in the morning.
Excellent examples.
Now let's talk about pronunciation.
Good idea.
The word breakfast can sound fast in English.
Yes, many people say breakfast.
Very true.
Beginners should listen carefully to pronunciation.
Practice is important.
Yes, listening and speaking every day helps a lot.
That is true.
Another useful word is usually,
Yes, we say, I usually drink tea.
or I usually wake up early.
Usually means something happens many times.
Exactly.
What other morning words can we teach today?
Maybe alarm clock.
Great word.
An alarm clock helps people wake up.
Very useful vocabulary.
Another word is shower.
Yes, for example, I take a shower in the morning.
That is a very common sentence.
What about the word busy?
Good choice,
Morning time can be busy.
especially before work or school.
Very true.
We also use the word crowded,
Yes, a bus can be crowded.
or a train can be crowded.
Great examples. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And please tell us about your morning routine in the comments.
Emma, do you think mornings are important?
Yes, very important.
Why do you think so?
Because mornings can change your whole day.
That is true.
A good morning can make you feel happy and calm.
I agree.
What do you do when you feel tired in the morning?
I wash my face with cold water.
That helps a lot.
Yes, it wakes me up quickly.
Sometimes I open the window for fresh air.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Fresh air feels very good in the morning.
I like sunny mornings.
Me too. Sunny weather gives me energy.
Rainy mornings make me sleepy.
Same here. Do you ever feel lazy in the morning?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too. Especially on Mondays.
Oh, yes. Mondays are difficult.
But a good breakfast helps.
Very true.
Music also helps me feel awake.
What songs do you listen to?
Mostly calm songs in the morning.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, loud music is too much for me in the morning.
I understand that.
Do you talk to your family in the morning?
Yes, during breakfast.
That sounds nice.
We usually talk about our plans for the day.
Family conversations in the morning feel warm and friendly.
I agree.
Some people are very quiet in the morning.
That is true.
Are you quiet in the morning?
A little bit.
Me too. I need time to wake up fully.
Same here.
After breakfast, I feel more active.
Food gives energy.
Exactly.
Do you prepare your clothes at night?
Yes, sometimes I do.
That saves time in the morning.
Yes, it makes mornings easier.
Good organization is helpful.
Very helpful. What is your favorite morning smell?
Fresh tea and warm bread.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. What about you?
Coffee. I love the smell of coffee.
Many people do.
Coffee shops smell amazing in the morning.
Yes, they do.
Let's teach another useful sentence.
Okay.
I'm getting ready for work.
Very useful sentence.
Get ready means prepare yourself.
For example, prepare clothes or pack your bag.
Excellent explanation.
Thank you.
Another sentence is, I'm in a hurry.
Yes, that means you do not have much time,
Many people say this in the morning.
especially before school or work.
Very true.
Let's give another example.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm in a hurry.
Great sentence for daily English.
Beginners can practice these sentences every day.
Practice helps memory.
Yes, repeating simple sentences is very helpful.
Listening to podcasts also helps.
That is true.
English learning can be fun and easy.
Step by step.
Exactly. What about you, listeners? What time do you wake up in the morning?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
Emma, today was a very nice conversation.
Yes, I really enjoyed talking about morning activities.
We talked about waking up, breakfast, exercise, and English learning.
Yes, and we learned many useful words and sentences.
I hope our listeners learned something new today.
I hope so too.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We are very happy you joined us today.
Keep practicing English every day.
Little by little, you will improve.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with your friends.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.